whether it's lucky or not, I don't know. I got shot on by a seagull. It wouldn't be lucky for that bastard if I could get my hands on him. But, they can't just shit small either, can they? There's like 5 or 6 big splats as it goes over you. Never mind. What's a bit of shit between friends, eh? Now, while I was there, I'll tell you a bit of a funny story. It made me chuckle anyway. So anyway, I am sat there drinking my tea and a chap pulls up on a bike and we got chatting, and me being me, with my gob, I'm effing and jeffing and the odd C-bombs flying around, and anyway we're chatting away, and I said to him, oh, are you local? Oh yes, I'm the local vicar. Oops, me and my gob, eh? So sorry, vicar, awfully sorry. Joys of having a potty mouth.